RAM limit and sample limit are two very different things that many users mix up. RAM limit is the amount of space you have available in memory, but the sample limit is a limitation of the number of samples you can add to your keyboard. Since each sample is varied in size, it's very easy to quickly fill your set with way too many samples when you still have lots of RAM space left. Let's break it down. Have you ever made a set where you still have plenty of RAM space, but you have reached the maximal sample limit? Let's understand how samples work. A user sound can have up to 24 layers, and each multi-sample can be made up of many individual samples, some more, some less. For example, time-sliced loops generally end up having way too many slices. Once you start adding too many loops to your set, this would end up quickly filling up your sample space. Let's look at it from another point of view. Imagine a car park with limited number of spaces. No matter how large or small the vehicle is, the maximum number of parking spaces is limited. The same principle applies to the keyboard. No matter how large or small the size of the sample is, there is a limited amount of sample space available. Let's try with another example. Here we have a fridge. Now, imagine a water bottle that represents a sample. The amount of water inside can vary. We can have a bit of water or a full bottle. But no matter how much water we have inside the bottles, there is always a fixed number of bottles the fridge can hold. Our third and final example is a cinema. Imagine a person representing a sample. A small child can occupy one seat, or an adult can occupy the same seat. No matter how big or small the person is, it still occupies one seat. The same applies with the keyboard. No matter how large or small a sample is, there are a maximum number of 15,048 sample slots available to be loaded, which has no relevance with the RAM size. Hopefully by now, you have a better understanding between RAM limit and sample limit. So next time you make a set, try avoiding sounds with many sliced loops to avoid quickly reaching the sample limit.
Точно това е. Колкото са по-големи луповете, толкова повече места те заема. Тоест, местата. Аз ти го написах по-опростено даже. Ако сетът ти е стропан на пад 4, няма да е така. Но ти ги събираш от различни места и затова така се получава, разбираш? Това е цялата работа. Няма какво да го мислиш. Никога няма да използваш 1,5 гигабайта в такъв случай.